The long list. Tomorrow morning, I am going on vacation to the sea. My flight leaves tonight, so today I must finish everything. I need to pack my suitcase, buy sunscreen, clean the kitchen, answer work emails, and take my dog Max to my sister's house. My list is very long, and the clock is moving fast. I stand in my small kitchen with a cup of coffee in my hand. The suitcase is open on the floor, but it is still empty. Max sits next to it and looks at me with big eyes. I smile and say, "Do not worry. We can do this." Then, my phone rings. It is a message from my boss. He needs one more report before lunch. I take a deep breath. This day is going to be busy, but I am ready. Packing problems. First, I start packing. I put dresses, shorts, and t-shirts on my bed. I check the weather on my phone. It will be sunny and hot, so I need light clothes. I find my sandals and my beach hat. Then I look for my blue swimsuit. It is not in the drawer. It is not in the basket. I feel a little worried. I search under the bed and behind the chair. Max runs into the bedroom with something in his mouth. It is my swimsuit. He thinks it is a toy. I laugh and take it from him. "Thank you, little helper," I say. After that, I roll my clothes carefully and put them in the suitcase. The suitcase looks full, but it closes. One job is done, and I feel better. The last work email. At 10 o'clock, I walk to the cafe near my apartment. I take my laptop because I must send the report to my boss. I order a coffee and sit by the window. The cafe is busy, but it is friendly. People talk softly, and the smell of bread is wonderful. I open the report and start to write. After 20 minutes, the internet stops. My screen says, "No connection." I look at the clock and feel my heart go fast. The report must be sent before lunch. I ask the woman at the counter for help. She smiles and gives me a new password. The internet works again. I finish the last page, check the spelling, and send the email. My boss writes back, "Great work. Enjoy your vacation. Now I can really think about the trip." Errands in town. After lunch, I go into town. I still need sunscreen, travel shampoo, and medicine for my stomach. The streets are full of people. Everyone seems to be in a hurry. I buy sunscreen at the travel shop. Then I go to the pharmacy. The woman there helps me choose small bottles that can go in my hand luggage. When I leave the pharmacy, I see a dark cloud in the sky. I do not have an umbrella. I walk faster, but then my sister calls me. She says she is stuck at work and cannot take Max until 5 o'clock. I look at my list. This changes my plan. I decide to go home, clean the kitchen quickly, and take Max later. The day is not perfect, but I still have time. I tell myself, one step at a time. Ready to go. At home, I clean the kitchen, water the plants, and check the windows. Then I put Max's food and toys in a small bag. At 5 o'clock, my sister arrives. Max jumps because he is happy to see her. I hug him and say, "Be good. I will come back soon." He licks my hand, and I feel a little sad. I take my suitcase and call a taxi. On the way to the airport, I look at the city lights. I am tired, but I am also excited. I check my bag one more time. Passport, ticket, phone, and money. Everything is there. At the airport, I see the sign for my flight. It is on time. I smile and breathe slowly. The busy day is finished. My vacation can begin.